review. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so and click on notifications down below. So today I would like us to review MI earbuds. Yeah, this is the MI earbuds which I was talking about. It's called MI earbuds. So this is the case, as you can see, it's portable, and you can travel with this one anywhere if you're a traveler. Yeah, so this is the charging port. Yeah, and these are the buds, as you're saying. So if you want to buy this one, you can find this one on the market at around the $5. Yeah, so you see it is at low price. So I show you. So this is it. As you can see, cannot go off unless you do this one. That's when it can go off. You see the size, it is very small. Yeah, this one is soundproof, noise cancellation, so if you are using this one you cannot hear anything to disturb your music. Yeah, so this one, when you put them back, this light shows that it's charging, and can take like 15 to 20 minutes to charge to get full. Then the whole case can take almost an hour to charge. So it doesn't take you much, but when it's full it can take you for 2 to 3 days. This one. Yeah, so after charging this one, if the power gets off, you just need to bring it back in this case and it charges again. Yeah, so you don't need to worry about the power if you are traveling, if you are going anywhere. Yeah, then what is interesting about this one mostly is power. When you are watching like a movie, or you are listening to music, or you're talking to someone, these buds can go for 4 hours without stopping, so you don't need to worry about the battery. 4 hours, it has the case standby, so that's the good about it. That's the good thing about it. Then another thing about this one, it has a Bluetooth of V.5, which is compatible with all devices. It can work on iOS, which is iPhone, and Android. Yeah, it is wireless connectivity. It has a double channel. This one is 2 channel. You can share this one with your friend in a distance of 10 centimeters. So you don't need to worry if you are having like someone you need to listen with your music. It is very good for real. Then another thing, it has a battery about 4 milliamperes. It is very good. That one is very good for such size of device. Yeah. I've been using this one. I've been using this one for almost 8 months, and the power is still the same. It's still holding power as a new one. So if you really need something which can hold power for some time, you need to buy this one. And again, it is so cheap. It is so cheap. As I told you, $25 you can get it. So to connect this one, immediately when you remove it from your case, it will get connected. It will connect automatically. But if it's new, when you buy it new, you can still remove it. It will just show here. You tap on connect. Yeah. So let me show you the sound quality. The sound quality of this one. This is the sound quality. You can still hear it. Yeah, so that is the sound quality. That is the sound quality. So if you're interested about that one, then another thing which is more interesting, you can use one bud, remove this one and use this one and connect one, or you can give this one to your friend and use one for like 4 hours, 5 hours, yeah, according to how you are listening music. So when you put this one, you can use one, and again you remove this one. Like when you want to watch for like 8 hours, you can use one. When power gets done, you remove another one. Yeah, as one is charging. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on notifications button below. Thank you.